Hello everybody! I have just moved into a new apartment and I have my own room now, and as you can see from behind me, from the chaos of the clutterment, I have a gazillion things that I need to put away and get ready. This room is really big and it has a lot of potential. It's the master bedroom, so I'm really excited. But the walls are like kind of this ugly yellowish color. I think we're going to be painting it white. I want to add a pink accent wall to the back by the window. But first, I really just need to get everything off the floor and vacuum this place. So yellow. Who thought to paint the wall a yellow color? I did it! I just completed painting 3 sides of my room all white, and now it is no longer this disgusting yellow mustardy color. Look how much of a difference it makes when I painted it white versus the yellow color that originally was there. Originally, I was going to paint my entire room pink, but then I decided against it because that just seemed like so much pink. Like, I love pink, it's my favorite color, but to have the entire room pink might have been a little too much. So what I decided on was to add an accent wall instead of painting all 4 walls pink. So just one of the walls is going to be this baby pink color that I got from Lowe's. It's called Oh So Pink. And I think it's a really nice alternative for people who really like to have some color in their room but don't want to fully commit to painting the entire room that one color. It's so bright. Oh my gosh. It'll be okay. I've been dreading this for a couple days, but today I'm finally going to try and put away all my clothes. I have so many clothes, and I think I'm going to be doing a closet clean out after I put together my closet and hang everything up and put everything away, because I just have so many things that I don't wear anymore and that I don't want. So after I completely move in, I think I'm going to sell or donate a lot of my clothes. I just got back from IKEA and I got the desk and the tabletop that I needed to get, but they're white, so I think I'm going to be spray painting them. So I got my tarp here, and this spray paint, it says it bonds to metal, so hopefully it'll work and I won't have to like sand the metal down so it'll stick, but so I just sprayed this one piece just to make sure that the spray paint actually stuck to the metal. If it doesn't, then I'll go ahead and like get some sandpaper and sand the rest of the pieces down. But if I don't, then it'll be fine, and then I can just spray paint the rest of the pieces, no problem. This looks like it's good to go, so we're gonna go ahead and spray paint the other pieces. I think I just ran out of spray paint, so I had to go back to Walmart and get some more because I still have a couple pieces that I need to finish spray painting. So it's the morning after I spray painted these metal parts for the desk, and you can kind of see that it did a pretty good job overall, but there's like these white spots, oops, all over it. And at first I thought, oh no, like it got like pulled off, like, so there's some white from the original metal showing, but it turns out that these white spots are actually from the tarp that I was painting on. Initially it had some white paint on it from a previous painting project, so it kind of picked up on those white spots. Honestly, I can kind of like peel them off and remove them, but it doesn't really bother me that much, and I'm sure a lot of it will be hidden once I put this whole thing together. So we'll just see what happens, but for right now I'm going to start painting
the actual tabletop desk right here. I'm so excited.